Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. For today we are going to be doing a simple wedding guest makeup tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to be cleaning her face using the normal cleansing micellar water. After cleaning her face, I'm going to be going in. Can you see a clean face? I'm going to be going in with my moisturizer. As you all know, I don't really use primer these days, so I don't know, maybe it's just from my models, but they do have dry skin, so I don't even try priming. I don't even want to prime, so I just feel comfortable moisturizing and then moving on to foundation. So I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender to press in the moisturizer into the skin so the skin stays hydrated all day long. I'm using the Superstay foundation. I can't really remember the shade, but I used like 3 shades of foundation here. I was the only one at the studio doing the makeup, so I couldn't get I couldn't get to take the shots of the products I used, so you guys should pardon me. Maybe next time I'm going to try that. So I'm just blending in the foundation. Can you see how the foundation matches her skin? After cleaning her face, the skin was looking a little bit red. Can you see the difference there between her face and the makeup and the foundation covering her skin? Can you see the perfect undertone now? Can you see that? Yes, we are done with the foundation. I'm going to be highlighting using my Zekel HD concealer in the shade neutral. I'm going to be highlighting her face with that. I'll be applying the highlight under her eyes, on her cupid bow, the chin, and also on the bridge of the nose, and also on her forehead. Then I'll move on with my damp beauty blender again to blend that out smoothly. So after blending out my highlight, I'm going to be going in with the concealer from the Ferrarucci concealer. I'll be using that, a darker shade of concealer, for my contour. I'll be using that to contour the side of her nose and also the hollow of her cheeks. I want her face to be a little bit, can you see that? So after blending in my concealer, I don't know what happened to the clip around when I was blending the concealer, but I blended the concealer out and highlighted with my setting powder. Then I'm now setting the whole face with the same her shade of powder from the Bicham Ageless Powder palette. So after blending in my powder and setting the whole face, I'm going to be using my Davis brow pencil in the shade number 18. I'll be outlining her brows with that. I made sure my pencil is very sharp. If you want to achieve a flawless and a straight brows, you want to make sure your pencil is sharp, and then you outline it flawlessly. So I'm just doing that. After outlining, as you can see, her brows are very full, so I'm trying my best not to fill in the brows too dark. I don't want it to be too dark. After filling it, the brows, I'm going to be reducing the pencil wax using the mascara wand. Can you see that I'm just taking off the pencil wax, that it's just too much there, and I'm going to be using my Beauty Line by Didi brow tint to make the hair look lighter. I'll be applying that on her brows. So I'm done with the 2 brows. I'm going to be going in with my House of Tara concealer in the shade number 04. I'll be highlighting her brow bone with that, and I'll blend. So after blending in my concealer, I'm going to be blending that out, and we'll be using her shade of foundation for the upper part of her brows. After that, then I'll blend and set the whole brow. Where I already used concealer or foundation, I'll be setting that with my powder. And then can you see that? Then the next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be applying my eye primer. My eye primer from the Ben Nye, right? Yeah, Ben Nye Clown White eye primer. I'll be using that for my eyeshadow base. So for my eyeshadow, I wanted to do a neutral shade before, but I just thought, okay, let me add a little bit of color. I've been doing a neutral shade, and as a wedding guest, you want to stand out, you want to be, especially if you're a bridesmaid, or let's say the auntie of the bride or the bride's sister, you can wear this look. So I just thought, let me add a little bit of green. I started with a golden eyeshadow. I wanted to go neutral before, but thinking, okay, this is a wedding party, let me just go ahead and add a little bit color. I added the green shade, but I was very minimal with the dark green shade I used. I was very minimal with that. Then I contoured with a black eyeshadow, blending everything into each other, and then transitioning with a burnt orange color. And yeah, I'm just contouring the eyes now using a black eyeshadow. All these shades I'm using is from my Organic eyeshadow palette. Then I'll transition with the orange shade and also highlights. Can you see that? I just finished transitioning, and I'm going to highlight with the lighter shade of powder on her brow bones, and that's it. I've already applied the eyeliner, and I already applied the eyelash mascara. Then I'm moving on to the lashes. This lashes is from Wink Lashes, in Elsa, right? Yeah, in Elsa, that's the name of the lashes. It's from Wink Lashes Nigeria. So just apply the eyelashes now. Can you see that? And then boom, we are done. So after applying the lashes, I'm going to be going in with the bronzer, my Get Gorgeous bronzer, Real Technique Get Gorgeous bronzer. I'll be applying that, and I'll be using this red lipstick from Zaron in the shade Vavavoom. That's the name, actually. That's the name of the shade of this lipstick. I'm so obsessed with this lipstick that I finally got my own. And yeah. So after I'm done with the lipstick, I'm going to be going in with my blush palette, the Lady V blush palette in Girls Night Out. I'll be applying that as a wedding guest. I love it when I see a wedding guest looking extra beautiful. Like the blush is going to complement the whole makeup. As you can see before, the makeup was not really looking too heavy like that, but with this blush, can you see the drama is adding to this look? It just gives it makes the look more powerful, and it makes it look more good. I don't know how to put the word, but that's just how it looks. Can you see that? her cheeks are looking all contoured. And for the final part of the makeup, I'm going to be applying my liquid eyeliner just to define the eyes more. So I'm just going to go in with the bronzer I used on iCupid Body Get Gorgeous bronzer. I'll be applying that on the tip of her nose, towards her forehead, and also on her cheekbones, and that's just about it, guys. And after that I just smudged under her eyes, and voila, she's looking all beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again, guys. Subscribe, please. Let's get to 1K. If you love this look, please don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week. If you want me to drop a tutorial on this gele, you should just comment down below. I'll drop the tutorial on this gele immediately in like 2 days. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys. Bye.